pretty much like the Gabba jersey, but just long sleeve. So you know, you've really got that. You know, when it's not now because it's pretty warm actually, but normally here around this time of year in Germany, it's really damp and miserable and just rainy, cold. You know, and conditions like this is perfect because you know it's not like a big heavy rain jacket. You still train good, you're fast, the aerodynamic is tight. It's really light, you know, but it keeps you really warm. So it's definitely, I think, I don't know if we're going to be using it next year in the races, but I think when the other riders see it in the peloton, they'll be like, damn it, I want one of those.
Yeah, you talked about earlier when you had the short sleeve Gabba jersey in the tour last year, and the rain started coming, and you guys were all set in the short sleeve, yeah.
Definitely. I mean, I think it's really from Castelli. That's really something really special, and I think it's, you know, because also like with Castelli, you know, they work with us. We tell them maybe like we give them ideas, but they actually, you know, they do it. And stuff like this is just, you know, these two things. I think they're something massive, not just for Castelli, also for us, because they're giving us the advantage and the benefit in races. You know, just to keep us warm, keep us also faster. You know, so we've got that edge over the other riders. And I mean, it's also, if you know you've got that little bit of an edge, then you have more confidence and you also ride faster. So not just for us, but also for Castelli. I think both sides are winning. It's even got the Norwegian flag on it. Gabba. Gabriel, he's from Norway.